Hello and welcome to Google Sheets 101. My name is Jake Zimbrick and I'm going to be leading you through this course. I'm really excited to be here with you, and this presentation is going to be a quick overview on what the course is going to be about and what you can expect from it. So welcome to Google Sheets 101. You may be asking, why should I bother learning with Sheets? Presumably you already have some interest and you have your own reasons since you found this course, but I think like the rest of the G Suite applications, it's a great way to work collaboratively in real time with your colleagues, can improve your productivity, and there are some cool applications for it in the classroom to get kids engaged. So hopefully we will answer this question by the end of the course. You may also be asking, why should I listen to you? Well, that is a fair question. I would say the biggest reason would be that I'm just a nerd and I like spreadsheets. I'm a science teacher at Headway Academy, and I'm also an innovation coach, so I've got to spend a good deal of time with my head inside of spreadsheets, and I really just want to share what I've learned with you. So we will be looking at some other resources as well, but I'm excited to teach this, and I'm also excited to see what you guys can come up with in terms of innovating the ways that you can use spreadsheets in the classroom. You may also be asking, how is this course going to work? I have designed it so that you can work through it incrementally and linearly, going through each module. You can also just use it as a reference, and I'm going to just jump over real quick to the course by looks like this. And as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 modules, as well as a questions forum here if you have any questions for me as you're working through. And so if this is your very first introduction to Google Sheets, I have a start module where you'll learn how to navigate, save your sheets, and do some simple processes within Sheets. The second one is going to be the formula module, where we'll talk about some of the powerful things that Google Sheets can do for you. This one I think is going to be really interesting. If you already have some basic knowledge, you could probably jump in right there. I also wanted to include something about forms, because a lot of us teachers in education right now, we're using forms to collect data. And so I wanted to look at some different ways that we could integrate forms and spreadsheets to do some cool things in the classroom. The last one is going to be charts. I'm sure some of us have not gotten to make graphs in a while, since maybe our high school or college days. So I wanted to go back and look at when to use different charts for what applications, and then also just how do you actually make them. So those are the 4 main modules of Sheets 101. I'm really excited to get started with you guys. So if your last question is, when can I start? The answer is right now. I will talk to you later.